Welcome back guys, and if you are using a Chrome browser file for surfing in your mobile and or in your computer and you are not getting the sufficient speed, means it is taking too much time for downloading any file, then in that case I am going to tell you one simple trick. Please apply and see the results. So if you like the video after applying the trick and seeing the result, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much. So now we will go to the Chrome, and in Chrome what will happen, it is open. Just go and type here Chrome colon backslash and flags backslash and flags. Okay, just open it. Now search for parallel downloading. Parallel downloading. Here it has come. You in your mobile, just write it here, and if it is on default, please enable it, and after enable, restart the Chrome, restart your mobile and try opening the net, try surfing the net. So try downloading the files. If you find it useful, please do consider to subscribe this channel. That's all. Thank you very much.